Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Right, before teacher start, teacher would like to check with you all whether you can see my screen. You can just
Yes.
thumbs up. Please do not unmute. You don't have to unmute yourself. All right. Do not unmute. You can just, yes.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, as I told. Okay, Dasha, please mute.
Yes, teacher.
Gabriela, please mute.
Mute.
Oh, Vetrian, Darshan Saravanan.
I already mute.
Sharavardan, please
Yes.
mute yourself and do not.
Just unmute it.
Okay. All right.
Open.
Can you all mute? Before I start, can you all mute yourself? Darshan Saravanan, can you mute? All right. Okay. I already mute everyone. You don't have to unmute yourself in between. All right. So anything you can just type in on the message box. All right. So you don't have to unmute. Is that clear? And then another thing I want you all to wait towards the end because I'll be sharing a link there and you guys can put in your attendance for your certificate. All right. Is that clear? And please on your screen. Okay, I'm going to share my screen now. Right, share my screen. Darshan Saravanan, please mute yourself. Darshan Saravanan, I have been repeating many times already. All right. Okay. So you guys can view my screen, right? Yes or no? Just thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay, very good. All right. Okay, good afternoon to all of you. Okay, maybe some of y'all know what is exactly Sustainable Development Goals. In short form, we call it as SDG. All right, some of y'all know. Some of y'all maybe it's something very, very new for you guys. Okay, where you don't understand what is SDG and who created and why we have to learn about SDGs, right? Okay, so teacher going to give you today a very, very short introduction on SDG. And please remember for your science Olympiad this time, 3 questions from SDG will come out because there will be 35 questions, right? So out of 35 questions, 3 questions will come out from SDG. Okay, is that clear? So that's the reason why I'm taking over this class and I want you all to listen to me carefully. Okay, it's going to be a very short class. We will finish up about 2:15 to 20 and towards the end, I will just, what do you call that? We will be asking you some question and this PDF whole, this PPT, we will share it in our dashboard. You can go through as well. All right. Okay. So what is SDG? SDG means Sustainable Development Goals. Okay. SDG stand for Sustainable Development Goals. And whatever I'm emphasizing today is the important one, which you have to focus. That's it. All right. Okay. You have to understand what is Sustainable Development Goals and What is the short form? What is the long name of it? Okay, the long name is Sustainable Development Goals and the short form is SDG. So, basically, in 2015, world leaders made a big promise. That means all that leaders around the world, okay, all the leaders around the world, they make a big promise among themselves, okay, and then they say that by the year 2030, okay, by the year 2030, okay, certain goals which is created under the sustainable development goals need to be achieved. Okay, again, teacher would like to repeat. In year 2015, the world leaders, okay, around the world, they make a big promise. Okay, I'm going to tell you like a story so that you would understand. Okay, you don't have to go into very deep. Whatever important only we are going to emphasize, right? So, okay, so there will be under this SDG. Okay, when I say SDG, you have to understand Sustainable Development Goals. Okay, under the SDG, there will be 17 goals. Okay, how many goals? There will be 17 goals. Okay, I will explain to you one by one what are the goals. And these, our leaders, the world leaders, they make a promise, right? So their promises is by 2030. 2030, this goal must be achieved by the year 2030. That's for our young generation. That means our future for you guys. Okay, now is 2026, right? Okay, so we have another 4 more years to go. That means they have certain goals under these 17 goals. So these goals need to be achieved for our young generation's future. All right. Okay. And in this goal, their aim is no one gets left behind. Goals help people, animal, and our planet safe. Okay. So this is for everybody. This is for everyone. All right. And so since there is 17 goals, 17 goals, okay, these 17 goals, all the countries around the world, they need to achieve. No. Okay, not really. Okay, every country, they focus on certain goals only. I will explain to you later. All right. Okay, so they will focus on certain goals only. All right. So there are 17 goals altogether. And in 2015, world leaders made a big promise saying that by 2030, the goals must be achieved by the nation, by the world by 2030. So we left about 4 years to go. All right. So countries around the world agreed on the 17 goals to make life better for everyone. All right. So these 17 goals is basically is made to make our life better, not only for human, that is for people, animals, and also planet. All right. Okay, so think of SDGs as it. Okay, before that, okay, now you guys are kids, right? Okay, why you guys should learn SDG? Okay, we have reason because, okay, it's for your future. You live in this world and these goals are built, these goals are created for your future. Okay, small action by children create big changes around the world. For example, okay, example, let me teacher give you an example. If let's say we are planting trees around the world, okay, this is a very very common action is done by everybody, right? Okay, this common action is for what? Because we need more plants, we need more oxygen, right? So this is a very very simple action, right? Simple action, but it has to be needed, and this has to be done by everyone so that we have more plants, more oxygen, there is no pollution as well. Okay, and then why kids need to care? Kids can be change makers. You never too young to make difference. Even though you guys are very very young, very very small, still you can do a lot of changes. And learning now helps you become a responsible citizen of tomorrow. Okay, one day when you all grow up, okay, all of us, like your parents, all of us, the teachers will get old. So it's your responsibility to take care of our world or nation or earth. All right. Okay, and it's also teaches empathy. What is empathy? Empathy means you are caring about others near or far away. Okay, for example, as what I've said, we are planting trees, right? So that planting trees in a way, if for example, teacher is planting a tree, but that oxygen is not only for me, that oxygen is for all the people around me, right? That area or what. So that's the thing, that is what I'm saying. So actually whatever action we are doing, that is not only for us, that is also caring about others near or far away. All right. Okay, so now I already explained, but you guys can go through this, all right? As I said, there are many years ago, leaders from different countries came together because they wanted to make the world better place. They wanted every child and every family to live happily, safely, and healthily. They also wanted to protect nature, animals, oceans, and forests for the future, all right? So this is what I have explained to you. Protect the environment. Okay, let me go through one by one, which is very important only. The rest you can read through. Okay, as what I explained, why did they start the goals? Okay, why? Okay, even though the world is beautiful, many people still face difficult problems every day. Some children do not have enough food to eat. Some families cannot get clean water, and many children are unable to go to school. The world leaders wanted to work together to solve this problem and make life better. Okay, in Malaysia, if you see, you're talking about poverty and also clean water, we are still okay. But talking about the countries around the world, like example, African countries, right? So African countries, they are in hunger. Many of them got no food, and pity them, right? So that's the reason why these leaders of the world, they wanted to treat equally. Whatever we are eating, we are getting in Malaysia, they also must have enough of food. Okay, some people, see it's written there, some people do not have enough food. Many families go hungry every day. That means they got no food at all. All right, they don't have any food at all every day. So they just living their life with whatever they get, not proper food. And again, not everyone has clean water as well. There are still places around the world, okay, there is no clean water. Either there is no water or dirty water can make people sick, right? Okay, can we drink dirty water? That's why we have like so much of filters, and before we get the water at home, we got so many filtration system, right? Because we want to have clean water, okay? And so some people, they don't have water at all, or they don't have clean water. Okay, so what is the solution for them? So that's the reason why the SDG was created. And some children cannot go to school. Education helps children build a better future. Now you guys are so lucky. Okay, your parents are sending you all to school. Majority of the students of Malaysia, you guys are educated. At least you have some basic education, right? But talking about other countries, very poor countries, there are so many children there, they don't have basic education. Okay, they don't go to school and all that. So how to help them out? Okay, how to give them a better future? So that's the reason why this SDG was created. Next, poor health and sickness. Okay, In Malaysia, we still have private clinics, private hospital, and government hospitals as well. So if let's say we are going to government hospital, we just pay 1 ringgit and we will get the treatment from there, right? But in other countries, there is no hospital. Hospital you can only find in major places or major cities. So how about these village people? They don't have any major hospital. So poor health and sickness affect them most of the time. And some people cannot get proper medical care. Okay, that is also there. Okay, that's why we have this SDG and they want to achieve it by the year of 2030. And next will be the important one. Pollution hurts the earth. The environment needs protection too. Pollution means what? Pencemaran, right? In Malay, we call it pencemaran. So pollution means there are many places we have this pollution. Even in Malaysia, we have air pollution. We have, sometimes so many other pollutions are there, right? Okay, so how to avoid all that pollution? Because as you all know, even on our national round, okay, you guys has attended that environmental training. So in that training, we already explained to you why and how does this pollution happens and what is the consequences of this pollution. And now in this SDG training, we are going to talk about, okay, why we need to take care and why we need to avoid the pollution. Okay, so that's all about. Is that clear until now? Please thumbs up. Is that clear? All right, is the screen can be seen? Okay, very good. Until now clear. Okay. Next, what are the sustainable development goals? Okay, to help solve the world's biggest problem, countries around the world, as I said, created 17 special goals called the Sustainable Development Goal or SDGs. These goals are a plan to make the world safer. This is what I've explained to you all. Okay. How does this SDG help people to protect nature, to get education, have clean water, and hunger? Hunger means, okay, everybody has food. Stay healthy, live safely, treat everyone equally. Okay. And teacher would like to emphasize as well, okay, certain countries, okay, there are boys and girls, example. But that country, okay, if you wanted to be a leader or you wanted to even go to school, you want to, continue your higher studies, you have to be a boy. You cannot be a girl. You have to be a man or you cannot be a woman or lady, okay, to hold certain position. That is called gender, okay, gender inequality. So I will explain to you how it works, okay. In Malaysia, we don't have that, okay. That's why we don't feel the pinch. But there are so many other countries in the world, they still follows that, okay. Okay, what is SDG? There is another video. I don't know whether we will have enough time to show this or not. So I will just share it later. Okay, first one is goal number 1, no poverty. Goal number 1 is called, you see this red color? Red color, there are people around. It's written there, no poverty. So as I told, there will be 17 goals. So when you see this red color, this number 1, you have to know that this is no poverty. So what is the meaning of no poverty? Goal number 1 is called no poverty. This goal teaches us that every person and every family should have enough money, food, clothes, and a safe home to live happily and comfortably. Nobody should have to suffer without basic needs. Okay, this is no poverty. All right, that means, okay, everybody got, we have enough money to spend. Okay, that is goal number 1. And goal number 2, you see they have shown you a plate with soup, some sort like food. So it's like food, right? So zero hunger. No one should go hungry. Everyone should have enough food. That means As I explained just now, everybody must have food. Number one is no poverty. That means everybody should have enough of money. And goal number two is zero hunger, whereby everybody should have enough of food. Okay, goal number three. Goal number three is good health and well-being. Good health means all of us should have a good health and live a long, happy life. All right, who is scribbling on the screen? Okay, let me remove you from the group. All right, I think I have to do that. I'm explaining here. You guys are very busy scribbling on the screen. Okay? So everyone should be healthy and live a long and happy life. That is called goal number 3, which is good health and well-being. Okay, I'm going to ask you all question. I'm monitoring who is doing it, so you should able to answer. Okay, I'm going to ask you all question shortly. Okay, next goal number 4, which is quality education. All children should go to school and learn cool things. Not all exactly cool things. That means all children, they should go to school at least to learn some basic things. All right. So every children should go to school. That is quality education. Goal number 5. Goal number 5, this is what I told you, gender equality. That means girls and boys should have the same chances and be treated equally. As I explained to you, certain countries, they still follow only boys can sit. I mean, they can be a minister, they can be in high position. Girls cannot go to school. Girls have to be at home only. Girls cannot go for higher studies. They still follow that. In Malaysia, we don't have that. But still, this goal was created because the girls and boys should have the same chances equally and treated equally. All right. Goal number 6 is clean water and sanitation. Everyone should have clean water to drink and clean toilets to stay healthy. Yes, this clean toilets also, it is important. I don't know how many of y'all been to India? Just thumbs up. How many of y'all been to India? Oh, many of y'all, huh? Okay, good. So if y'all been to India, right, you have seen they have public toilets or no toilets. If they have public toilets also, it will be very, very, very dirty. If you go to the villages, you hardly find toilets. There are still, especially on the north side, Bihar and all that, they don't really follow this. They don't have a clean toilet or no toilet at all. Okay, they can just go anywhere they like. Okay. So that is not healthy at all. Okay. So everybody should have a clean water to drink and clean toilet to stay healthy. Okay. And in Malaysia, we don't really have this issue. So we should be blessed. And goal 7 is affordable and clean energy. Clean energy is people should use energy from the sun and wind that doesn't harm the earth. Okay, now we use electricity, right? Those days, we use electricity and that was taken by from the water. Okay, now we have another system. Okay, we have coals and all that. Okay, so we are getting everything from that. But again, our government is emphasizing, not only our government, most of the countries, they are emphasizing to go for solar energy. Solar energy is from the sun. Because when we use solar energy, the earth is, okay, we are not harming the earth actually. We are taking care of the earth, okay? That's why nowadays you can see even like certain houses, they already have the solar panel on the top of the house. It is a bit pricey, okay, it is a bit expensive, but when you use this solar panel, actually you are taking care of the earth, okay? You are not harming the earth, okay? Okay, goal number 8, decent work and economic growth, okay. Everyone should have a fair job where they can earn money. That means in certain countries where there is high poverty, all right, the economic growth will not be there. So even though the students, they have high education or whatsoever, but because of the economy, okay, because of the economic growth, there will be no fair job for them. Okay, no proper job. And if you see, that is one of the example where most of the Bangladeshis and most of the people from Nepal, they come in here to work, Malaysia, okay, because they couldn't find a proper job with the basic salary there. So in Malaysia, if you can see, many people from other countries, they are coming to our Malaysia and then they are working here. Okay, I'm not saying that is wrong or right, but why they are coming all the way from here? Because they couldn't find a proper fair job for them, even though they are educated or not, due to their economic growth. So that's the reason why they are traveling to other country to get a basic job. Okay, goal number 9 is industry, innovation and infrastructure. We need strong buildings, roads and new ideas to keep improving. Okay, so this is about industry innovation, where we need good buildings. So in Malaysia, we have, what are the good buildings? Can you all type? I wanted to see what are the good big building, very famous building where people are coming down. Can I see? Can you all type it there? Can you all type it there? I want to see. Can you all type? Yes, KLCC, Merdeka, 118, Twin Tower. What else? What else? TRX, some more KLIA. Yes, yes. So, okay. How many of y'all been to KLCC? KLCC, KL Tower. How many of y'all? Put up your hand, thumbs up. See? Okay. That is one of our major attraction, right? Okay, that is our major attraction where you guys are there, and see, because of that buildings, many people are visiting Malaysia as well. All right, so we have many beautiful buildings in Malaysia. Who is scribbling the screen again? Okay, so we have many beautiful buildings in Malaysia. All right, so that's the reason why many people are also coming to Malaysia to see all these buildings. So these buildings also playing a big part. Okay, just give me a minute. Merdeka Stadium. Okay, somebody said Merdeka Stadium. Okay, so this is goal number 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. And beside that, what are the other things we need in innovation? That means, okay, now all of us are using AI, right? So that is the innovation. Other than that, most of y'all going for innovation competition also. So what are y'all to bring? What are the new things y'all bringing to the country to ease our life? So that is also there, right? So that's why we said infrastructure means roads. We have a very beautiful road in Malaysia, right? We can travel easily. If other countries, the road will be very bump up road. So for 200 kilometers, you have to travel like 7 to 8 hours. But here, 2 hours, within 2 hours, for 200 kilometers, you can just reach there within 200 half hours, because our roads are very neat, clean and smooth. All right, so we can reach on time. So this is also important. All right, next. Okay, next will be, just give me a minute. Oh. Okay. Next will be goal number 10, reduce inequalities. Everyone, no matter where they live or who they are, should be treated fairly. Example, okay, we are Hindus, we have Malays, we have Chinese, and we have other races. We have Punjabis, we have Kadazans, okay, whatever race are they, okay? So everybody must be treated equally, all right? Cannot be saying that, okay, oh, we are Indians, you are Malay, you are Chinese, okay? So you cannot be, we are different race, we are different in color. So there should be inequalities there. So you cannot say that. So everybody is human and everybody is equal. Okay. Next, goal number 11, sustainable cities and communities. All right. So among all these 17 goals, right? All the countries, they do not focus all these 17 goals. Okay. Certain country, for Malaysia, maybe they just go for sustainable cities and communities. Maybe 3-4 goals only, which is needed in their country. That's it. We are not going to focus in all that goal. Okay. So you have to know. For example, Thailand. For that, maybe certain things are there already. So like for us, for example, gender inequalities is not there because we don't need, we are equal. Whether it's boy or girl, we are equal, right? So we don't have to go for that already. So we are not going to follow everything here, but only certain things. Okay. Goal number 11 is sustainable cities and communities. Cities should be safe and clean places for people to live. That means it has to be clean. Please mute yourself. Okay, it has to be clean and it has to be a very safe place for people to live. Another important part is, if possible, you see nowadays, if you see any buildings, right? Any buildings, they will be having so many plants over there. All right, they will be having so many plants there. All right, so that is also there. Okay, that is also there. So that is also important. All right, and some what is that, buildings, they will have solar panels. So that means the electricity and all that, they are taking from that, they are getting from there. All right, okay, that is also there. And next will be goal number 12, responsible consumption and production. We should not waste things and take care of the earth resources. Okay, example, in Malaysia, we have enough of water. So when we have enough of water, can we say that, okay, enough of water. So when you are not using the water, you can just on the pipe and go everywhere and waste the water. Can we do that? Can we do that? Cannot, right? So when there is no use of water, you have to close the tap. And electricity example, electricity, when there is, you are not using, you are in the study room and nobody in the hall, but the fan, light, aircon, everything is on. Is that sustainable or not? Not at all. It is not sustainable when that is not in use. So please off it. All right. Okay, next. Goal number 13, climate action. Okay, this is very important where most of the countries, they follow this. Okay, climate action. Sorry. Okay, climate action. This is most of the countries, they follow this. All right. Okay, climate action means what? We must protect the earth from getting too hot and save the nature. Okay, how to protect? How to protect? One of the easy way which you all know is by planting more trees to avoid the pollution. Correct or not? So that is the most important one. All right. So other than that, okay, electricity. Okay, reduce the usage of electricity. Try to bring the solar panel. All that are important. Okay, next. Goal number 14, life below water. So basically, this SDG is not only taking care of humans, it's taking care of animals, pollution, environment, everything. All right, so goal number 14 is life below water. Life below water, what we can find? Life below water, can you all type? Life below water, what you all can find? What you all can find? What you all can find? Fish, so many animals or fishes under the Sharvesha, I guess. Sharvesha, are you scribbling the screen? Okay. So life under the water means we should keep our oceans, rivers and lakes clean, safe for animals. Example, we go to a beach. Can we just throw all that rubbish in the beach? Can you all do that? How many of you all do that? Put up your hand. Throw rubbish in the river, throw rubbish in the drain, throw the rubbish in the oceans. How many of you all do? How many of you all do? See, there are so many association NGOs also in Malaysia. They have been doing, not frequently, but they have been doing where they will take up a day where they clean up the beach, a day for the beach. So they will go around the beach and they will collect all the what? All the rubbish. So rather than they go and take up a day and clean the beach, why not each one of us be responsible when you are going to the nature or going to the beachside, oceans, rivers, lakes, wherever you go, why not you guys take care of yourself and keep a clean beach, clean water. If you are going to throw the rubbish into the water, what gonna happen to the fish, whatever animals under the water? What gonna happen? They will die. End of the day, if they die, what will happen? What will happen? Okay, you all Google yourself. Right? You all Google yourself, what will happen if we throw everything. Okay, goal number 15 is life on land. Okay, life on land means just now teacher already spoke about the life under the water. Now life on land. We should protect forest. Forest means what? Hutan, kade. Okay, we should protect forest, animals and plants on land. That means we have to take care the trees, take care the forest. Don't go and just, use the bulldozer and then just slash all the forest and build lot of homes. Don't do that. Okay, keep the forest so that the animals can survive, plants on land and all that we can keep it. So that is also important. If let's say entire places there is no forest, tada hutan dekat Malaysia, we have all buildings and all houses only means, okay, it will be very, very, very hot. Okay, nowadays if you can see, okay, sometimes we ourselves we cannot estimate. That season could be just a rainy season, but it will be very, very hot. Okay, that season could be a hot season, but you will find it end of the day there will be rain. Okay, that is because of what? Because we are not taking care our forest and all that. So the weather would change. Okay, the weather will definitely change and it will affect our planet. And what else? The ozone layer will become thinner and become thinner. Okay, and goal number 16 is peace, justice and strong institution. Everyone should live in peace and have fair laws. All right, so the latest news on this. Okay, there are two countries are fighting right in war. How many of y'all know? Let teacher see whether y'all know or not. Okay, you can type. Tushendra Murthy, maybe you can unmute and answer. Tushendra Murthy. I can see you are really focusing. Very good. Can you unmute and answer? Can or not?
It's
Okay, if you can't, then just type. It's okay,
Philippines
Tushendra, you can
and
just type.
Iran.
You can't do that? Yes.
Iran and the United States of America.
Very good, very good. I have been I'm just looking at you. You are really focusing. Very good. How old are you?
11 years old, teacher.
Very good. From where?
Johor.
Very good. I can see you are really focusing. Good. All right. So Iran and US are in fight because of only these two countries are fighting, but the entire world are affected. Correct or not? We don't have get petrol. There are so many ships on the ocean. So many things are happening around the world, which is not fair. And these two countries are fighting. There are a lot of people also dying there, right? So that is also not good. So there is no peace. So this goal number 16 is on the peace, justice and strong institutions. All right. Okay, the final goal. Next will be goal number 17. Okay. Goal number 17 is partnership for the goal. Okay, partnership for the goal. Okay, countries, group, and people should work together to make these goals come true. That means this goal number 17 is a conclusion of all 16 goals. We have 16 goals, 17 goals, right? So if the goal number 17 is, we have to follow all these 16 goals to make it done. Okay, make it a good, what you call that, a good plan. Okay, for the country, for the nation, for the youth, for the kids. Okay, so for countries, groups, and people should work together to make these goals come true. Okay, as I said, this is just a conclusion of the 16 goals which I emphasized to you. All right. Okay. So altogether, how many goals? 17. Okay. Okay, this is just an activity. Okay, we are not going to do that activity now. All right. Okay. Okay, who is still unmute there? Okay. Just give me a minute. All right. So all together, how many goals can you all type? I wanted to see how many goals. All together, 17. Very good. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. All together, 17 goals. So among that 17 goals, which is the conclusion of the entire goals, 1 to 16? Goal number? Goal number? 17. 14, who say that 14? Goal number 17. Yes, so the entire thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the conclusion will be goal number 17. Okay, so can anyone type for me what is goal number 1? Goal number 1. Goal number 1. No poverty. Very
No
good. Very good.
poverty.
All right.
No
Okay, you don't have
poverty.
to go on. Tivesha, can you mute? Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. What about goal number? Goal number 11. Goal number 11, please type. Goal number 11. What is goal number 11? Please type it there. Sustainable cities. Very good. Very good.
Sustainable
Aryan.
cities.
Very good. Okay, very good. You don't have to unmute yourself, huh? Okay. Okay. Goal number 16. Very important goal. Goal number 16. Goal number 16 is what?
Live in peace.
Yes.
Please, just
Please,
please.
please don't unmute yourself. Huh? Don't unmute yourself. Please mute yourself. Do not unmute yourself. It will be very noisy. All right. So, so I think teacher already explained to you the first goal, second goal, third goal, fourth goal, everything is there. So now, in Malaysia, what are the goals we will mainly use? Which goal? Any ideas?
We will use plants on land.
Okay, Ati Sudarshan, can you type? Do not mute yourself. Okay. Yes, climate action, yes. Other than that, what else?
Zero hunger.
Zero hunger, very good. Then sustainable city. So we have like 3 to 4 goals which we have to follow in Malaysia. And again, which year we have to make sure that all these goals are achieved? Which year? Can you all type?
2050. 2030.
2030. Very good. Okay, when do we start these sustainable goals?
2015.
This is 2015. Very good. Okay, now how many years to go to reach these goals?
Teacher, 4 years.
Just another 4 more years.
4 more years. Please mute. Okay,
years.
okay, okay. Fine. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Because if everybody speaks, we cannot hear. We cannot hear. That's the reason why teacher requests Too tight. Okay, we have 4 more years to go. All right, 4 more years to go. So by then we have to reach all that goals. Okay, so these are the important part. Important part you have to understand under this topic. And then another important part which I didn't show you on the screen, I'm going to explain to you, which is we call it as Paris Agreement. All these countries, right, around the world, the leaders, they join and make these 17 goals, right? So we have done this under an agreement called Paris Agreement. All right, so that is also important. The most important part. Okay, what is the short form of Sustainable Development Goals?
SDG.
SDG. Okay, SDG. The short form of Sustainable Development Goals is SDG. All right. So is there any? Okay, fine. Okay. Now, is there any questions? Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Is there any other questions which you don't understand?
No.
You can ask me if you don't understand. You could ask me. I'm here to help you. So in the dashboard, I will try to upload this PPT file. You know, some of y'all have been like screenshot and all that.
Question. Okay.
Just give me a minute.
International
I'm
level.
going to share a link. Okay, please do not leave because teacher going to give you a link. Okay, and please make sure that you fill up the form. Otherwise, there will be no certificate. There will be a special certificate for y'all given for attending this SDG training. So if you all need that certificate, you have to fill up the form and send it to us. And don't tell me end of the day that earlier training also the same thing. You guys say you attended, but end of the day your name is not there. So again, if your name is not there, we are not going to give you the certificate. Correct? Okay. So if nothing much to ask, we will end here. Let me share you the link for the
Excuse me, teacher. Okay. What's up?
Okay, I have sent you the link. Please click and yes. Okay, please click and fill up the form. All right, please click and fill up the form fast. I'm going to end the class now. Please click. Please click and okay, fill up your attendance and you can leave.
Teacher, will you send the WhatsApp? Will you send the link in the WhatsApp?
No WhatsApp. It is there. I already shared it in the chat already. I will not share it in the WhatsApp. Please do that. Already share it. We will not be sharing anywhere. The link is here. You click and fill up the form. Okay, if you sign already, you already fill up your name in the form, you can leave the group. All right, thank you kids and all the best.
Teacher, I don't know how to on that one.
Ask your mother, call somebody, ask your mother, ask her to help.
My mother is not here, only my grandma.
And then how to help you, ma?
I don't know.
I also don't know, then there will be no certificate, Teacher, okay, if done, you can leave. If done, you can leave. You have to click and you have to fill up. Try to click the link which teacher give you. Parents, please help your young kids. Maybe they don't know how to do. Please. Okay, teacher already put there the second time. So please click the link and then fill up the name.
Teacher,
Yes.
if we submit ready, you can log out.
Yes, if submitted, then you can leave. Okay. Submit, you can leave. Okay, the form is there. Please fill up and you leave. Yeah, that's all. You may leave.
I already signed.
Samid, you can leave. Samid, you can leave. That's fine.
Teacher done, teacher,
Okay, I
bye.
can be here another 5 minutes because 2:30 I have another training. So make it fast.
Bye, teacher.
Okay, done, submitted. Okay, done, submitted.
Teacher.
You may exit. I give you
you,
another 3
teacher.
minutes only. I have another training.
Teacher, for the international, do we also have to do the experiments?
For international.
Do we also have to do the experiments?
Yes, of course.
Thank you, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Okay. Bye,
Teacher.
Tushindra. All the best.
Thank you.
Teacher.
Mm.
Teacher, I got
Yeah.
a question.
Yes, tell me.
When we go to the international level,
Mhm.
do we have to do the presentation and the exam there?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Faster,
Bye,
faster,
teacher.
fill up the form. Fill up the form. Faster, faster.
Bye,
Teacher,
teacher.
exit already. Bye,
Bye,
bye, Shaman,
teacher.
Rajasekar. Bye, bye. See you. Bye,
Teacher, could you send it again?
bye. Okay.
Give me 1 minute, huh? Teacher,
Yes.
Mylan's mother, I cannot fill up the form. I cannot click the link.
Can. Everybody can means sure you
No,
can do.
my
Please
phone
try.
got trouble.
Melanie.
My phone got some problems. I think I cannot click on the messages.
See,
I
you
have
have to do something.
recorded
I
the
can't help
screenshot.
you from here. I can only share the link. I can't help you from here, sis. How to help? That's why we have informed you earlier, right? So you have to find out a way to do that.
Bye,
The
teacher.
form I have reshared again. Please fill up the form.
Yeah, but
I also cannot enter.
Please
Teacher,
try,
my
you cannot
get
mother
away
click
because
already
others
go
have
sent.
to the
done means
messages.
sure you can do.
Teacher, my mother
I
already
also
sent.
cannot enter. Leave me, करके. Leave. No phone. I have to text.
Teacher, my mother already sent, teacher.
Okay, you can exit. You can exit. You can exit, ma. Faster, faster. For another child who have 2 kids, you have to use another email.
Thank you, Dr. Malini. Bye.
Bye, bye. See you. Bye. Tushona. Bye, bye.
Teacher can leave, teacher.
Can leave. Yes.
Okay, teacher. Bye,
Yes,
teacher.
yeah. Bye, bye, bye.
Hi, teacher.
Yes. Okay, I have another 5 minutes only, because I have to exit. I have to join another meeting. I don't have much time. So once I exit, you guys cannot have the link. So please do that. Madhav, are you done?
Teacher,
Madhav, are you done?
Teacher Malini.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, if let's say they come out with the sign in means we have to sign in with the TMP
Email.
or the email address sign in பண்ணனும்.
Your email address.
My email address. That means dashboardல நம்ம கொடுத்திருக்க email address
எந்த email address னாலும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. இது as long email address, that's it. But give a
Okay.
correct email address so that we can detect.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Make it fast, I have another meeting, another training to go. Madhav, are you done? Why are you waiting? What are you waiting, Madhav? Okay, bye-bye. See you. Make it fast, make it fast.
Miss, I'm wait for
Okay.
I.
Bye, teacher.
I
I'm still
cannot
signing.
wait long, I cannot wait long because I have another meeting.
Teacher, I'm already done.
Okay, done. Can exit. Thank you.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. See you, Dasha. Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Dia punya bergaul tu. I left only 1 minute. I have to attend that meeting. People are waiting. Please make it fast.
Dr. Malini, I think
Yes.
for Rakshita and Prashvita, I cannot log in using the same email.
You
I
have to use
need
two
different email, right?
emails. Yes. Please.
But it asks it to go for Gmail again. So I'm sorting out that. I will try to do it right away.
Okay. Faster. Done. The rest done. Can I exit? All done?
Not yet, sis. For me, not yet. Komagan one, not yet.
Sis, கொஞ்சம் சீக்கிரம் sis. ஏன்னா எனக்கு மீட்டிங் இருக்கு 2:30. 2:30 ஆச்சு. நான் போகலைன்னா அங்க மீட்டிங் ஆரம்பிக்காது. வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. From 2:15 just now.
Dr. Manini, since I also couldn't log in, can you just give exception for those who cannot log in? Then we will log in shortly. Maybe you can leave us first with the link.
How to? Okay, can I just make you as a host? Then can I log? Oh no, cannot. We'll be having issue. We cannot. I cannot do that.
Because my case also same thing. I got two child. They are using two different emails. One
Yeah.
I registered. The other one I cannot. I'm having
Sis,
the
nine.
same issue as well, Dr. Malini. I also have two daughters. I can
Okay.
do the first one, the second one I can't. So there was very limited time. You need to give us some time, please.
How long y'all need? Because I have to attend another meeting. It's already
Can
15
anyone
minutes.
else, maybe your organizers, someone help us to?
Nobody is here. Everybody waiting in the second meeting now. Nobody is here. It's only me.
Continue. Yeah, continue lah. Wait lah.
Okay, it's about 17 of y'all. Okay, what y'all do? 17 of y'all, can y'all text me?
Can.
Wait. Okay,
Text.
I'll give you my
Text
number.
you.
Y'all text me.
Okay, sure.
This is my number. Okay, you text me there. I will exit first. You text me. I'll give you another link because I already seen who. Okay, we left at about 15 only. So not 17. We have about 15. So 15 of y'all only. I will allow y'all to use the link. Only
you.
15 of y'all, huh? All right.
Thank you,
Okay,
thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Number.
Thank you, Dr.
The number I've given. See there. 01225366125. I've given.
012. Better I type.
5361. Sister, your number எல்லா இடத்துலயும் இருக்கும். Telegramல இருக்கும். Everything is there. 01225.
Okay, so Dr. Malini போட்டு நாங்க பண்றோம்.
Yes.
Is it okay?
You just text me. Yes. Okay, bye.
Sure. Thank you.
Sorry, I'm rushing.
Komagan's mother.
Okay, bye.